Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some Mediterranean spaghetti. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit smoky, full of veg and great for summer. We're going to start with our sauté pan on a medium heat with a splash of olive oil. I'm going to add onion, celery and carrot. I'm just going to sweat these down until they've softened a little, about 5 to 10 minutes. We're going to go in with the first of our seasonings. Here we've got tomato paste, paprika, smoked paprika and chipotle chili flakes. And next we have basil, oregano, thyme, salt, a little bit of brown sugar and black pepper. And now we're adding our veg. Here we've got red pepper, courgette and some dried mushrooms that I've rehydrated in water. This pasta has a wonderful smokiness from the smoked paprika and the chipotle. The dried mushrooms add a lot of flavour and a great chewy texture as well. We've been cooking this for about 5 minutes. The veg has softened slightly and started to absorb all those wonderful flavours. So now we're going to go in with our tomatoes and our olives. We're going to reduce the heat and let this simmer while our pasta cooks. Our pasta's just shy of al dente and we're going to finish cooking it in our sauce. So we're just going to grab our spaghetti spoon, or tongs will do as well, and transfer it straight over to the pan. Don't worry if any water drips because we're going to add a little bit anyway. A splash of olive oil, and some starchy pasta water. There you have it, a gorgeous Mediterranean inspired spaghetti, perfect for a summer's day. Thanks for watching.